All right, I done went through and I marked a plug here, a plug there, a switch there on the wall underneath the sink. I'll get over here. On this wall, it's going to run a wire down to here. It's going to work the garbage disposal and the dishwasher. The garbage disposal side will only have power when the switch is flipped, and the other part of the plug, one of the other plug, or you got your two receptacles on a plug. One will be powered only when it's switched on. The other one will always have power to it. Simple to do. I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. Got another plug there, another plug there. Oh, didn't see that. And then to cut into these ICFs, a lot of people take an electric chainsaw, a little cheap one, 30, 40 buck chainsaw, put a little gauge on the end of it and cut through it. Well, we was at the hardware store looking for it. Let me turn that a little bit. Looking for a chainsaw. Cheapest one I have was like 150 bucks. And I didn't want to spend 150 bucks to run it. My son said, well, why don't you just use a skill saw? I said, well, it won't work. And I got to thinking, little craphead's probably right. So I'm going to give it a try. I tried it a while ago and it actually did work. It's a little hard to get the wire in there, but it will go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a mess. Get foam everywhere. All right. Oh, let me see how I want to run this. I need to come down, over, and I will probably just go ahead and that plug will be together, and that will be together. That'll be on its own for the dishwasher and garbage disposal. Okay, let's see how it works. How bad am I? Oh, no, not bad at all. It's just the one that's in my eye that's bad. Again, if you'd wear eye protection, this wouldn't happen, folks. All right. And I don't know why I ran one up there. It's going to be on the same power leg. Okay, now I need to run one down for the stove, which I'll probably have to do it wide. I'll just make a couple of passes. Let me see exactly where I want that stove at, the plug anyways. 5 foot, that'd give you counters. That'd give you plenty to put the stove in. Yeah. Right there. I don't even see where I marked it now. Oh, there it is. All right. That way it gives me an idea on where to go. I've got metal boxes. They make plastic ones. When you put it in, it has little wings on it that'll pop out from the inside and grab a hold to that foam, and it'll keep it from pulling out, at least until you get your wall on it. Same with these, except it's metal. Like I said, not real fond of metal because of you got to put a ground screw in. That's fine though. And then you have these finish wall going behind it. I guess you could put your finish wall in front of it too. I don't know. I'll put it behind it though. Anyways, it comes with this inside of it. That's what you're supposed to cut it out to. As you can tell, it's a little bit bigger. Same height pretty much. But it's a little bit wider. Then you screw this down. These screws on the side. That'll fold up, lock it in place. Enough until you get your finish wall. Anyways, I'm gonna go around, mark these, and we're gonna get them cut out, and then I'm gonna clean myself up a little bit. Oh yeah. That's gonna work out perfect. I guess I ought to let my son have food privileges since he saved me $100 or whatever. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of them. All right, I went ahead and turned the light on. When you're doing it, like I was saying, don't twist it. Try to leave it flat, smooth, so it fits down the groove all the way down. We'll just kind of push it in nice and easy. When I run to town to get my 6/0 wire for my dry washer, for my stove, I'll probably get a painter stick, stir stick. I was told it's good to push that wire in there with. It don't hurt it, and you ain't got to worry about poking it or anything like that, cutting the insulation on it. So that's probably what I'll do, but for right now I'm getting it in there. Once you get it in there and it gets inspected, you can take a can of spray foam, just run down it, it'll seal back up. That's going to work beautiful. Okay.